And today somebody that tell me, say, Marcia, say, I should have never take off Mr. Fletcher. Marcia, you have platform to like me. As you say, me is a good little, humble little man. If you want to take up the mantle, Miss Marcia, I do have a problem. I will solely pass him on to you and you see if you can help him to finish up. See if you can seek little help. Right now, me I run for everybody. Different mandate when Auntie Dana come back. You understand? The whole of them, whole young miggly, Mr. Fletcher is a very nice man. I never have a problem with him. And I do have no problem. And me and him no have nothing. Nothing at all me and him no have. You understand? Nothing at all. Me and him never meet. Nothing at all. So, if anybody feel it in them heart and say, boy, then I shouldn't take him off, I don't want to assist him, please reach out to Auntie Dana. I can send you his details into your WhatsApp and whatever it is, you can donate it to him and him will finish build up. All him should have get the whole of bali money. The man need one of them. Mr. Fletcher depend it 1 year and he never talk about how still what there. Now when me a close program, me can't go take on no more house journey. Me can't take on that, so me can't take. I never even know till when me go down the same buy black for bill house. And when me tell him about the program, him say him buy 500 black. At that time, I know, because I don't live nowhere near here, so he live way down a gully, down the road. You understand? So that is another. Me go out. Me no want to build no more house in a Mountain View. Train if me do it and the girl a country, but I really want to help she. Me see all the Prime Minister give a house. Me I want she and one of them were eligible. Me proud of the Prime Minister the close around here now no can tap call and go make line up a Jamaica house to see or where he live. Go make him see if you can help you. Then again, today now, me in a nice house fast asleep and rest my body. Because if I go for 1 weekend this weekend, you know, go rest and see them say storm are coming off the left here. Because you can't leave your house in a storm. You see people out there, woman is up in a chair, say she hears say me a come too. One other man him come sit down whole post pan box. Me a beg you no. Yes, I no shop for people come lay wait me. Me a beg you no come here if me no send call you no. Me a beg you to make me lie down in my house and rest, because the last time me check, if me have done what that? I want ants. If me have donation here for nobody, me can give account fee. Me no want nobody come here. Come sit down at my gate. People them a tell you no for go on and no yard, no take, no yard left you come hold a stage at my gate. Them thing then alright. Me and no related, you know. Me no want nobody a come draw a chair out in my gate. Fight no look good. Every minute my neighbor come my window and call me. Boy then I come look out for the woman sit down out there and left. Whole day. Me no want none of you come here because me never invite nobody here. Anybody a come to me and me must invite them or somebody a pass on somewhere and say them a stop just to yell me up or so. Me no want nobody come sit down and bleach for me. Me no want a soul sit down and bleach for me. So if anybody depend here for Miss what's your name? Miss Patsy, Miss Olive, Mr. Fletcher, all of them when me I take off, I don't feel like Auntie Dana shouldn't take them off. You can just take up the man. Then come here. All I want to walk opposition about Mr. Fletcher. Will call me on my phone every minute, man. Me shouldn't take off Mr. Fletcher. Mr. Fletcher have family. No. When Mr. Fletcher come here, Mr. Fletcher never asks, you know. Me just say, disabled or not disabled, me other disabled in Mr. Fletcher position, just same way we can't move somewhere else in the world. I look the club to I would have loved if I have 1/4 cup of the help when Mr. Fletcher get. Me not have nothing against him. Me not have nothing against Miss Patsy. Me not have nothing against Miss Olive. Me not have nothing against none of them because they never tell me say me I read. But me say when me not help nobody else I go along for years upon years. Me have people on the program where say to me say half the program even if me Because I switching I got the pan it a video, you know, me I tell you no. If Kiki, Ziggy Marley, and some of my switching fan them want to send money to me after program lock and say bless them, but everybody I come off. All young and middle age. And if them want Mr. Fletcher number, I will give it. Anybody number who no call her, I call people call her and ask. Anybody want any of the recipient them number, all people them, because I not give out no strong to young people for go look up. Number, I will give it out. You understand? Everybody I come off and make me go along. Same how them people I get for 1 year and 2 years. Remember me telling you say me I come back with changes, you know. You remember say me telling you say me I change up the program. You remember me telling you say enough things me I go do when me never used to do. You remember that? I wonder if you remember that. Enough of them with the pan it get too everybody, everybody me I go take off. When me come back, if me come back, or if me not come back, it changes. I don't know, might be next year before me come back. Because me have my business I go run now. Me have my cake and my pudding I come up. When me don't know what I pudding at time for me rest little, I'm gear up for my cake season. Because my pudding season run long. Me not ask price because I see my sheet. No. Everybody get help. Then if it just like along so next year, the same set of people, them fear Daphne daughter, they are foreign, now send dollar. Plus Daphne have other that people, yeah, the man and so. Me fi just, everybody wanna ask, but me fi just go on 3 seasons, them a go there and program other people out there, other disabled people, other people who can't move, other people who can't talk with a love little help too. And I say me I go turn my attention to them. Me can't have one program. Me no food for the poor. Me no this food stamp where every month the government food stamp where you go sign up in a line. Me just a try something. And I say me I change it up. Me I left out a Mountain View and me I go look. You have whole heap of other community in and around Jamaica. Whole heap of other rural areas where people would have glad to look like the blessing where them people here get. You understand? So if me move on, nobody enough to bex with me. I see if anyone I know, since me move on from them have a problem with it, I will see something wrong, I will take up the mantle. Call me Miss Donna. You should have never take off Miss Patsy off of the program. So me I beg you, give me Miss Patsy number, they make me do what you know and do. Simple as that. Until now, okay, hold on a second, let me get to Miss Claudia. For Miss Claudia to pass you the number. I will not go and go do what I do. Anybody who not see me take off. I will not say me no, I will not feel like in our head or now nobody say. Me shouldn't tap. Or me shouldn't take them off. Who not take up the mantle. I can only do so much. I can only do so much. Me not kill out myself and me not stress it. Me make my decision and me come to a heart. So anyone now when me I wanna go say more or come off. And tell the people them house done, them a come off. Marcia and Marcus, them a go come off. Trishana, them a go come off. When you take a start, everybody in a live before me and everybody a go live after me. Suppose me, God forbid. Suppose anything happen to me tomorrow and me not there. Don't everybody a go live same way. Talk no? If anything happen to me, God forbid. Nothing man, we just have a reason for the phone. Yeah. Don't everybody and your man drink and live same. You think nobody are going to do nothing to themselves because me not there? No. So, I route going a different pasture when me do come back. Taking some random call on the phone, got some different random paper.